There's a way to get you to change. I won't be around anymore anyway. Merry-go-round, round with you. In and out, then up and down.
You guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I wanted to show you guys my miracle morning routine. So this is the morning routine that I follow in order to vibrate in a high frequency every single day. They say that the secret to success is in your daily habits, and I truly believe that. I think my secret to success is my morning routine. I prefer my mornings to be very slow, calming and very peaceful in general, so I give a lot of priority to self-care. So this is how my morning routine looks like, and you should definitely try it as well. So the first activity in my morning routine is definitely meditation. I love meditating for 10 to 15 minutes every single day as soon as I wake up. If I have some extra time, then I love doing like a long guided meditation, but most of the time on an average it's about 10 minutes. Sometimes I don't even use a guided meditation. I just sit calmly and silently and just try to be aware of the thoughts I'm having. And sometimes when I've woken up really late and I'm in a hurry, then it's usually a 2-minute prayer that I like doing, just having those few moments of calmness and silence as soon as I wake up. When I do this activity, not only do I feel refreshed and I feel prepared to start off the day with, but it also keeps me grounded and very relaxed in general. Whenever I do this activity, I just know that just focusing on my breath work for a couple of minutes can take me a long way, and I know that nervous system regulation is a real thing. So that's the reason I keep myself grounded and I keep myself calm and I prepare myself for the day with this activity. Do not underestimate the power of meditation, you guys. Meditation is super powerful, and if you're not already doing it, I highly recommend getting a guided meditation. You can find any video on YouTube and get started with it. Journaling has been one of the best decisions I've made when it comes to regulating my emotions. Just writing it down in a notebook just makes you feel like you have just released that problem or that thought from your mind. So automatically your mind feels a lot more clearer. I love writing my gratitude lists. I love planning out my day with my planner, and sometimes I just script how I want my life to look like. If you didn't already know, scripting is one of the best manifesting techniques out there. So I do have a video. You can check out that video if you want to know more about scripting. Just assume the best case scenario and script about it every day and watch how much your life is going to change. The next few minutes I solely dedicated to my favorite hobby, which is reading. Obviously your favorite hobby could be something else, but just reading for 15 to 20 minutes every day while sipping on my morning coffee or green tea or even green juice right now in this video. Anything, just sipping and reading one of my favorite books, and most of the time it's non-fiction. I like reading fiction during the night. So any self-improvement or non-fiction book that I read, those 15 or 20 minutes in the entire day is super valuable to me. Not only do I get great insights from books, but I also get great content ideas for my YouTube channel. There is always something new to learn from books. Sometimes it's a new idea or sometimes it's a new thought. So whatever I am today, I give wholeheartedly the credit to all the books that I've read. In case you're not a reader in general, I highly recommend you to just pick a book that you like. Any beginner friendly books that I recommend on my channel, you can pick one of them and just start reading. Just do this activity for 10 minutes. Just start with that and make it a habit, and just watch how your life is going to change after a month or two. All the wisdom I gain, all the knowledge I gain, all the inspiration and the self-improvement journey that I am in, I give wholeheartedly the credit to books. If you haven't read Atomic Habits or The Compound Effect, I will link them down in the description box below, so you can go grab it on Amazon and start reading right away. I will also drop the links of some of my other book recommendations that I have for you in the description box. So please do read a book and come back to this video and comment and let me know what you thought. Hi you guys, so the next part of my morning routine is always using my planner. I pretty much use this every single day. Sometimes I get really lazy in the weekends, so I might probably skip
the weekend, but other than that I use this every single day. And this also has like my vision board, my plans for the day, kind of write down everything that I need to accomplish or the goals that I have for the day during the night, like the night before. And whenever I get up in the morning, I know exactly what I need to do. I have that clarity. And I also have like my vision board, things like that, that I just like looking at and sort of absorbing and taking it in. Meditation is a very important part of my routine, because I feel like whenever I'm visualizing things or I'm seeing a vision board like this, it sort of puts my mind to a state where I feel all the things, all the vision or the pictures that I'm seeing are truly possible to accomplish. And this gives me that hope and that feeling of positivity whenever I look at the pictures, because all of a sudden when I see all the pictures together, it feels like this is all possible, this is already my life, or this is how my life is, or it's supposed to be. And it just makes me feel very grateful, and at the same time puts me in a very positive mindset. Next one I want to talk about is affirmations, which is again in my planner. So I have a few additional pages at the back of my planner in which I decided to write down all of my affirmations. I have like a whole, I think like 4 pages of affirmations, and obviously these are my affirmations. You can customize and create your own, or you can find a lot of them on Pinterest already, so you can figure out how you want to take it forward, or what kind of affirmations you want to affirm. So I write things like I get paid to exist, money works for me, I'm always at the right place and at the right time, opportunities come forward for me, I expect the best because I am the best, good things are always happening to me. Do them and I read them out loudly and quickly. There are people who sort of record their affirmations and listen to them repetitively. So if that's your way of rewiring your subconscious mind, then you can go ahead and do it. But I always just read out my affirmations for like 5 to 10 minutes.
I believe affirmations are one of the most powerful and also one of the easiest methods to manifest what you want into reality. So I maintain a planner in which I write down all the affirmations for the day, and I just quickly read through them, and I sometimes repeat them out loud. And I urge you to do the same thing. Just write down your own set of affirmations or any affirmations that resonate with you and watch your life change. The next important part of my morning routine is definitely getting my workout in. So unfortunately, I did not film myself working out in the house, because in reality, I go to the gym and I'm not allowed to film in the gym, so I couldn't get any footage for you guys. But even if you're someone who is always in a hurry to go, make sure that you at least get like a 10-minute or a 15-minute stretch at home. It's very easy and very effective. So yeah, make sure that you have some sort of movement. The last part of my morning routine that I wanted to share with you is to find moments of joy. And I do understand that sometimes we're in a hurry, sometimes we wake up late, and sometimes we're just so exhausted with all the work that we do that we don't really get the time to romanticize our life. But if I could just recommend you to do one activity or just one thing every day in the morning to just vibrate in a high frequency and manifest your dream life, then this is the one activity I would urge you to do. Find any hobby or anything that you love doing which gives you a lot of joy to start off the day with, whether it's singing, whether it's dancing, whether it's meditation, whether it's working out, any activity that you really truly love and find yourself having the best fun or the best time of your life in general. Find at least 10 minutes every single day in the morning to do only that activity, and let nobody interrupt you, let nobody disturb you. Just enjoy doing that activity and just try living in the moment, that is living in the present and being fully in that flow state. Just have fun and just be joyful. So that was it, guys. This is my morning routine. I want to say my secret morning routine, but not so secret anymore, obviously. The book that inspired me to film this video and also my morning routine in general is The Miracle Morning book, which is by Hall Elrod. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. And there is a method called Savers in the book that you can read about. I will link this book in the description box below so you can check it out and purchase it if you like it. So that was it, guys. This was my morning routine and I hope it inspired you. I hope it inspired you to start your manifestation journey and to follow a slow morning routine like me. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Lots of love. Bye.
Why me?